second altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is going to be a bit of Theta token. The reasoning why I've chosen to showcase this to you, because we're on the imminent side of a breakout. Massive long position coming through here, guys. Humongous levels of resistance along this zone. If we can break this to the upside, it's going to be huge. It's going to be progressive. It's going to be very profitable. Obviously, guys, nothing I say is financial advice. Please go do your own research. Do not enter any trades that I do say on these videos or this stream, just because I'm here to teach you TA, and you need to do your own research before entering any positions. Now, we are on a breakout scenario from a broadening wedge chart pattern coming through on the daily. If we are looking for any sort of measure move to the upside here, we're going to be looking at breakout scenarios, something around along lines of this. It's going to be huge, guys. It's going to be massive. We do need to weigh up the chances for this to be coming through here. There's obviously minor breakouts coming through as well that's going to support us. It's more of like a double breakout scenario in terms of percentages for this game we could be looking at for the future. It's going to be around 86.36% gain, coming up to all-time high sort of levels there. Really quite progressive, really quite profitable, that we do need to be looking out for there, guys. I really would be looking out for some sort of breakout scenario coming through here on the daily. Looking very good in terms of this uptrend as well. Looking very good. But yeah, that's definitely what we'll be looking out for here on the daily chart there. Moving on to the 4 hour, what I would say is volume is actually very low, trending quite low actually. Looking for breakout scenario on the volume. We're not quite there in terms of being overextended on the RSI, so we do actually have a nice little bit of wiggle room as well to break that massive trend line from, I think it's all-time highs, that trend line. Yeah, all-time highs down from there. So yeah, massive wiggle room to break that all-time high trend line, which is obviously going to signify a very nice breakout scenario for us there. And yeah, in terms of the shorter term time frame coming through for the 4 hourly, as you can see, we've got a lovely level of resistance along this top side here, lovely level of resistance, and also a lovely level of support along this lower side as well. And you know what that means, guys? We've got parallel. They're parallel. We've got parallel channel coming through there to the upside, of rising parallel channel, looking for a breakout scenario. In terms of a measure move for this parallel channel breakout scenario that we could be looking for here, it's still going to be really good. It's still going to be really worth it. And it's actually going to congruently measure up with this double breakout zone. Amazing stuff there. We're going to be looking at in terms of a percentage there. Not going to be getting in until we clear this zone. Around 12.79% there. Wow. Amazing. And also we've got a volume weighted ATR band that we need to get over to find support on that. If we can find support on that, it's going to be even more evidence for a lovely breakout scenario. So yeah, Theta today, definitely one to watch if we are going to see this breakout scenario coming through. Looking for around a 12.79% there. Really quite good. Obviously, you know the drill, guys. Staggering your take profits all the way up. This is the trading strategy that I use. It's called gridding your take profits. Just basically planning for any sort of reversal coming through there. Because if you hit your first take profit, you take your stop loss and you move your stop loss to your entry point there. Basically minimizes your losses completely. I'm sure a lot of the OGs who are watching this know the drill there. Now, moving on to the hourly chart. Nothing too crazy coming through on the hourly. What I would say is just doing some fresh TA. Right now, we obviously got this pretty strong level of support coming through here. It's actually very messy now. Now there's a lot going on. Let me get rid of the WOD machine coming through there. Yeah, as you can see, guys, we've got a congruent level of support coming through to the lower side here. I would be inclined to draw some sort of trend line coming down like that, but we broke that. Some sort of trend line probably coming down like that, looking for this breakout scenario. So we're on a mini breakout coming through there. And in terms of a measure move completion for that, I would actually say that's pretty much done, right? That's going to be pretty much done. That might actually finish up around there, where we want it for the midterm breakout for that 12.79% there. So yeah, it's gonna be very interesting to see how we do get on there. But yeah, definitely one to watch over the next few hours or so is going to be Theta there, guys, and that's gonna be your Theta update today.